This is a late 80s, early 90s sound design. Model 3838 BLK in excellent condition. It's AM, FM, and cassette player, all working, and it's got the Bluetooth upgrade,
Over You by Arch,
which sounds great. And I'll switch the radio. This is FM.
ABC 7 and
Montreal for the last wild card tied with the Islanders, Rangers.
choose wisely, choose well. The thing that's very much, something that we.
This is the dimmer. This is brighter. This is not as bright. The alarm. Let's show you the tape player. So the tape. Take the tape. Where does it go? Here, like that. Press play. I think that's how it works. Oh wait. No, this way. Okay, so that's the tape player. The alarm works as well, and so is the time function. So let's go to alarm, which is here. And then I advance the time, which is hard to do because I'm holding the phone. I set it to, see the alarm is set to 8:30. 8:30 a.m. Time, press the button here. I can't press the button and also hold the phone. Maybe I could do it that way. There, okay? So I advanced the time to 8:30. Turn it off. Okay, everything works like it should.